Once we've animated the position, we can then think about changing the zoom scaling at the same time. Now I've already re-rendered this one so that it renders at full quality, so I'll just play this. And you'll see it moving across the screen. I also want to add in the zoom effect. What I now want to do is actually change the scaling of the image as it moves across my composition. I'm going to make sure that my CTI is at the very beginning. What I'm then going to do is to use the scale properties to set the start scale at 100%. So by clicking on the stopwatch, I add in a keyframe here, which sets the initial scale position. I can then move the CTI to where I want the scaling to finish. What I can then do is change the size and scale this up slightly. So what happens now is it will both move and scale. I'm just going to play it to render. So what it will do, it will scale and move the image over time. And if I want to change the position, say for example that I want it also to move up, I'm going to select the end position. I'm then going to move it up slightly so that it now gradually moves across the screen. Again, this is very useful if you've only got still images that you want to use in a composition.